Welcome to E30 Shed Skid. We're going to BIR.
Hell yeah.
Got some sweet new tires for the E30 Bimmer. Let's check them out. Alright, here they are. They're Nitto NTO1s. They're size 255, 45, 15s. The 15s are these wheels. So 2 years ago, this car had went 16.9 with no supercharger. Now we have a supercharger, and we're hoping to beat that number. That's a conservative goal. If we made it into the 14s, that'd be great, but I don't even know. No way of knowing what it'll do. So the only other main goal tonight before racing is to tidy up the dash panel in here. Let me get some light on it. See how the dash is all taken apart? I was trying to figure out the nitrous wiring 2 years ago and just still haven't touched it. So I'm just going to screw it all back, tidy it up, and forget about it. And I think it should be good. I would love to figure out the fan. Maybe I'll just hardwire it to always be on. Sorry about the lighting in here, but yeah, here's the tie down. Basically, it's just a ratchet strap. They allowed it last time, so if you grab it, it's pretty sturdy, I think. All right, we just went down to the local do-it-yourself car wash spot. I didn't quite do an amazing job, but just a quick shine on her. She's real dirty. Loading her up, ready to race. Ready to rumble. Got her all loaded up.
Pig fucker.
The hard line in the back. It spoinked.
And for the brakes.
Yep, for the brakes in the back, the hard line. For the brake fluid, it done broke.
We're stopped at Lake Mille Lacs, almost to BIR. Bimmer's doing good, but the truck, a little hiccup. Alright, the breakdown update is that we sent 2 people to town and they got a brass plug and some brake fluid, so hopefully we can cap off one of the rear wheels that was leaking and we can get to Brainerd.
Yeah, I said it was like this.
Here comes Dylan.
Form into the top end, turns the boards on with 11. Left cut to the top end, 12:30 with an eye.
Here comes Dylan. Up against the Trans Am. I think Dylan's hoping for a 13 maybe?
St. Paul, Minnesota.
13.
Brings up the 2013 BMW.
We'll start. Little puffs of smoke out the back.
Second time up with Floor here. First time I took her down the track, we ran a 15.2. It was awesome. The start was extremely terrible. Still quite haven't figured out the best way to launch this car yet. So we're going to be working on that this time. We'll see how that goes. Shoot, that was fun though. Holy cow. Yeah, so far we're still in the lead. Hayden got a 15.4 his last run. I'm still at 15.2, so the newer modern car still is faster. The supercharger on the E30 is putting up a fight, but even Hayden's second time around, he had a really good launch. Still didn't have the beans though, so we got way more power, so we're going to use it, and we're just going to try to get a lot better of a launch this time, and hopefully we can get from 15.2 to 14. That would be awesome. I'd take a 14.99 any day.
Dylan trying to beat his 15.2 this round. Here's Dylan. You can hear the sticky track on his tires.
Dylan Conroy out of St. Paul coming at us. Got the BMW 2013 model. Sitting in the Napoli.
Get a 14 here, he'd be real happy.
Lucas Oil Lane, that is going to be St. Joe. 68 Firebird.
Zoomed in on the numbers. What are we gonna get?
Trying to, but yeah, not bad. That fucking launch felt so great.
That was really good.
I was actually shitting my pants because like, wait, where the fuck's that? You know, where's that other car?
Where
no
did
way.
you
I almost fucking beat him.
yeah, you did.
Which I was surprised about.
Yeah, you did. He was spinning pretty good.
Yeah, at the end though.
Did you rev it and then brake stand it and then let off, or what'd you do?
No, so I went up, got my stage, and then just held my left foot just tight enough on the brake where it was not going to go forward.
Yeah.
And then right as the second light went off, I just smashed it.
Yeah.
Guy in this car is about 95 years old. It's really awesome. It's the second try here with the 318 IS. After that first round, there's a lot of wheel hop, and I think I might have hurt something. It's really like in the engine, it's vibrating a lot, and we're just gonna go one more time, see if it works out. It seems fine, all the numbers seem good, it's just like a constant vibration. I'm hoping that one of the motor mounts just like shifted or got fucked up or something, or a trans mount, because I don't want to blow up, but we'll see.
Max is doing a high rev. Oh boy. See how it goes. Let's see, last time he didn't do so well on the launch. Let's see how he does now. A little wheel spin, that's good. That's great. Oh my.
Alright, getting ready for the third round with the 318. Dylan went 15.2, then he went 15.4. I went 15.8 and then 15.4. So now I gotta try to beat his 15.2. And I think it's better to just ease into it because it wheel hopped really bad when I give it the beans and let go. So we're just gonna ease into it.
Yeah, I think Hayden's got this. Yeah, holy cow. Look at this. We got Max. Let's see. Little Chevy truck versus Max. Watch Max lose the fucking race. Oh, this is great. This is like 4 years of making. Oh man. Just put some really sticky nittos on it. Yeah. Let's go, Max.
That round was a 15.75. It kind of fell on its face out of the launch, and then I didn't shift fast enough, so I hit rev limiter a bunch. So I'm going to try shifting right before rev limiter and going even easier out of the launch and slipping the clutch a lot. Maybe give it like 3,000, slip the clutch out, and then mat it.
That's going to be done over 16. Mercedes got a little 94 mile an hour at the 8th mile. South put in 1320.
Here goes Uncle Raj.
The 1990 Mustang down below soil lane. So then Raj Shell coming in.
Oh, hell yeah! That was a great start.
And then our last
BMW against BMW again.
I know. This is going to be a good one. Mac's got to win.
only a few minutes.
Fuck yeah, let's go. Oh, he missed. Oh, man.
Conclusion to a great day.
Popping them up, pop them up.
We loaded up the Bimmer and we're trying to bleed the brakes on the tow truck to get home a little bit more safe because the brakes are pretty sketch. Dylan's having a Stella as to celebrate.
Overall, fastest BMW at Brainerd, baby.
Yep.
2021.
The X3 is the fastest BMW at Brainerd on
Today.
this specific day.
On this specific day.
You can claim that title.
I can. Yep.